Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study law at Harvard. First, focus on building a strong foundation during your undergraduate years. Aim for an excellent academic record, often a grade point average above 3.8, and prepare diligently for the law school admission test. A score in the upper 170s is highly competitive. Additionally, gain valuable experiences through internships or leadership roles to showcase your potential. Next, meticulously prepare your application materials. Your personal statement is crucial. It should tell your unique story and explain why you aspire to study law at Harvard. Seek out professors or mentors who know you well for powerful letters of recommendation. Remember to submit all your academic transcripts and a detailed resume highlighting your achievements and experiences. Every component contributes to a holistic review. Harvard Law admissions looks beyond just numbers, seeking well-rounded candidates. They value intellectual curiosity, diverse perspectives, and a demonstrated commitment to making an impact. Highlight any experiences in public service or specific legal areas that align with your passions. Show how your unique background and aspirations will enrich the Harvard Law community, fostering a dynamic learning environment for everyone. Once admitted, you'll embark on a challenging yet rewarding academic journey. The curriculum is rigorous, covering everything from constitutional law to international law. You'll have opportunities to join over 100 student organizations, contribute to prestigious law journals, and engage in pro bono work. Harvard Law provides unparalleled career services and a vast alumni network, offering invaluable support for your future legal career.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.